house stood aloof on the street, a fortress of solitude. Its facade, a stark composition of two massive, stacked boxes, offered no glimpses into the life within. A perforated metal sheet served as the main door, a symbolic barrier filtering the outside world. Even windows, those usual eyes of a home, were absent from the street-facing walls. This introverted exterior was a deliberate reflection of the owner's personality, a sanctuary from the bustle and prying eyes. But the outward austerity belied a hidden openness. Stepping inside, one would find the layout mirroring the owner's desire for privacy. Public areas like service rooms and common spaces occupied the front, acting as a buffer zone. The heart of the home, the private spaces, retreated further back, nestled away from the street's gaze. This deliberate compartmentalization ensured a seamless transition from public to private, creating a haven within the city's embrace. Despite the introverted nature of the design, the architects prioritized a sense of spaciousness and connection with nature. Given Indonesia's dense residential landscapes, where houses often jostle for space, they defied expectations. The buildings stretched wide, incorporating large openings on all sides, including the upper floors. This countered the claustrophobia of tightly packed neighborhoods, allowing ample natural light and fresh air to permeate the interior. Each side of the house boasted an open area, ensuring a connection with the outdoors despite a lack of street-facing windows. The material choice further accentuated the home's unique character. Floor tiles, typically confined to the interior, were boldly adopted for the facade. These custom-made terracotta tiles, meticulously printed to match the building's dimensions, created a cohesive, almost monolithic look. Their installation demanded exceptional craftsmanship, a testament to the skill of local builders who relied on traditional techniques rather than advanced technology. This choice highlighted the value of human ingenuity, where buildings were shaped not by machines, but by the shrewdness of hands. The house, with its introverted exterior and surprisingly open interior, served as a fascinating paradox. It embodied the owner's desire for solitude while ensuring a connection with nature and a sense of spaciousness. The architects, by cleverly merging traditional design principles with local craftsmanship, created a haven that was both introspective and connected to the world around it.